Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Google Cloud storage settings, full guide step by step clearly. To reset Google Cloud storage settings, start by signing in to your Google Cloud console. Navigate to the Cloud Storage section in the sidebar. Select the bucket whose settings you wish to reset. Click on the bucket name to open its settings page. Locate the Settings tab at the top of the Bucket Details page. Under the Settings tab, you will see various configuration options. To reset specific settings, review each section carefully. If you want to reset access control settings, go to the Permissions section. Modify or remove any users or service accounts listed there. For default object ACLs, click on the Default Object ACL section. Here, you can remove existing entries or add new ones as needed. Next, head to the Lifecycle section to manage lifecycle rules. You can either modify existing rules or delete them for a clean reset. If you need to reset logging settings, navigate to the Logging tab. Turn off any log buckets you may have associated with this bucket. To adjust CORS configurations, visit the CORS section. You can remove existing CORS rules to reset them. Now, return to the main bucket settings page. For more advanced settings, access the Advanced Settings section. Review options like encryption and object versioning, resetting them as necessary. Once you have made all desired changes, click the Save button at the bottom. Confirm your actions if prompted, as these settings can have significant effects. Finally, review each setting once more to ensure everything is. Your Google Cloud storage settings will now be reset according to your specifications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.